Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to show you the best app to get FIFA World Cup notification and scores and information. Go to Play Store, search apps, select search, type FotMob. FotMob Soccer Live Scores. Select on it, FotMob Live Scores. Select Install. Select Open. If you're already a user, sign in or select Quick Setup. You follow a team, United Kingdom, select England for example. Then you select Next, England, International, National Team, International Clubs. Select Next. Then select Finish. Select Notification. It will also show you the group. It will also show you today. If you select the three dots, Edit Alert by time. So it will show you the information like tomorrow, teams playing and time. Show you the 18th, 19th, 20. Show you the information of team played already. Iran and New Zealand 2-2. France and Senegal. Time 8 o'clock. Iraq and Norway 11 o'clock. You can follow particular team you want. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Portugal, France, Bayern Munich, Spain. So you can follow all these teams so that you can get information or news about the scores or what is going on. So this is FotMob. This is how to install this app to get information of the World Cup. Live on the TVs, you can get it in UK, BBC, BBC One. Click here to change or add a country. So you click here to change or add a country. So United Kingdom. So you can filter and add your country. Any other country prefer, you can add it and follow. Iran and New Zealand already played 2-2. So France and Senegal and Iraq and Norway. You see the time. And you can also select on it, match alert for France, enabled. So you put a notification here. You can also cancel the notification by selecting this, disable. So notification is on so that it will give you information of the match when it starts. So this is the app I thought to share with you, FotMob. Thank you.